Now, forewarn weather with exclusive cutting-edge technology to help keep you and your family safe.
Actually, I think it was a weekend of cleanup for a lot of people coming off that snowstorm, and then we had the sunshine, and thank goodness some melting. But wow, and here we are launched into a next week.
Oh, I know. Well, and then we had so much melting that ponding became an issue on Saturday on the roads, and then you heard in Hank's live shot all the tree trimmers out there.
They're still hard at work.
Yeah, that was in my front yard yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, we had a big pine tree that was uprooted, and so yeah, the damage that you saw from this system was much like what you see during severe thunderstorms, and you even probably saw some of the lightning, heard the thunder with the thunder snow that rolled through. We've been talking about that for days, which is a cool phenomenon. You just don't want to see the damage come out of those kind of storms. Exact Track 4D radar shows we have more moisture headed our way, though not in the form of any kind of storms or thunder snow, though I do think that maybe you hear a rumble of thunder when the rain gets heavy a little bit later, but we're not looking at anything too severe. So widespread light showers at the moment from Marshall down to Coldwater. We're going to zoom in, though, as these rain showers are pushing in that far western edge of Lenawee County, getting very close to Adrian and Onstead, not quite to Tecumseh and Blissfield yet, but we're still dealing with power outages across the area. There is improvement, but you can see our county power outage map at this noon hour on Monday. Still dealing with upward of 10,000 across Wayne County and close to 10,000 in Oakland County, the two hardest hit counties on our map here. Let's talk about that storm and just break down the totals that we had. In fact, it was a record-breaking storm over at Metro Airport. The old record for the most snowfall on that date, on Friday, March 3rd, was 6 inches set back in 1875. We broke that record, getting 6.2 inches of snowfall at Metro. And as you know, upward of that in a lot of areas across the Metro region. Snowfall rates reached 2 to 3 inches per hour during that storm, which greatly reduced visibility out there. Now, this is a great MyPic photo that was taken the day of the storm. In fact, the morning of. We're just getting it in today from one of our MyPic viewers in Livonia. And this was a beautiful red sky, but you might have heard the saying before, red sky in morning, sailor take warning. Doesn't matter what time of year it is. That is a good indicator that we were going to get some severe weather. So even though we had a significant snowstorm, that was in March. And so meteorological winter is measured December, January, and February. So we were already past that into meteorological spring. This ended up being the 7th warmest winter that we've had on record. Highest temperature that we recorded was 60 degrees both on January 4th and February 15th. Coldest temperature that we had this winter was on December 23rd, 0 degrees. You might remember right before Christmas. Boy, was it bitterly cold. That's not even factoring into the wind chills. Different story today. We're on either side of 40 degrees all across southeastern Michigan with sustained winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting close to 20. Timing out that rain for you becomes heavier as it becomes a little more widespread across Metro Detroit around 3 o'clock. This picking up maybe some sleet, but I think overall this is a rain event with a few rumbles of thunder possible. Still pretty much rain showers at 6. But watch what happens after sunset. We start to have some snow showers move in from the north, widespread throughout the overnight, and that's likely after midnight with some clearing on the back edge of that. That tees us up for some sunshine tomorrow, which will be welcome. We've even had a little bit of sun peeking through today. But as we look at our snowfall forecast, in the area that gets a little bit more snow, we could end up with a dusting to 1, maybe up to about 3 inches as you wake up tomorrow morning on top of what we've had. But with surface temperatures above freezing, I don't think that a lot of that sticks. We'll see some melting. Tonight, 31 for the overnight low, and then tomorrow, 41 for the afternoon high. Quick look at that full forecast for you. We will stay right around 40 through the work week, sunshine midweek, chance for some snow Friday, and then springing forward this upcoming weekend.
Love that sunshine. Thanks, Ashley.